Hi, I'm Bill from Eckler's. Today we're going to take a closer look at this replacement upgraded power steering box fitting your 1955 through 1957 Chevy. If you're looking to upgrade the power steering feel in your 55 through 57 Chevy, this power steering box is an excellent way to go. Now this is just the start, you will need other components to do so, but this will be a direct replacement for your factory box and is a much better feel than the factory piece. The best part of this, it actually simplifies the steering system and makes it operate much more efficiently. And this is going to be a direct replacement for the factory box, will require modifications to your column, and does include mounting hardware. This power steering box features a 12.71 ratio for an excellent feel, and again can be used to replace factory power steering or as an upgrade for a car not originally equipped. Now again, this is just the power steering box, but complete kits with all the parts necessary for a full conversion are available at Ecklers.com.